Imagine a partnership so powerful it could reshape both space exploration and military technology. This is what SpaceX and the Pentagon are cooking up, and it's not just about rockets. The deal involves AI compute power, which means faster, smarter data processing for defense applications, like predicting threats or optimizing satellite networks. This isn't just a contract, it's a blueprint for how AI could revolutionize both civilian space tech and military strategy. While the potential is significant, its actual impact will depend on factors like funding, equatorial dynamics. If this sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, think again, it's happening now. And its ripple effects could be massive. First up, SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company known for Starship rockets and Starlink satellites pioneering space tech. Then there's the Pentagon, the U.S. Department of Defense, which develops military strategy and advanced defense systems. This deal combines SpaceX's innovation with the Pentagon's need for faster AI tools. Unlike traditional computers, AI compute power processes vast datasets instantly, for example, analyzing satellite images to detect threats or managing complex networks like Starlink in real time. Imagine your smartphone can recognize faces or play games. It does this with its built-in chip. AI compute is like that, but supercharged. It crunches massive data in seconds, not minutes. For the Pentagon, this means analyzing threats instantly, like spotting a missile launch or managing satellites without delay. SpaceX provides the hardware, powerful servers in space to handle this workload efficiently. The Pentagon needs AI that works anywhere, even in conflict zones. Starlink satellite network, like those used in Ukraine, provides fast, reliable data links. Unlike ground-based systems, it avoids delays or outages. Imagine drones analyzing battlefield threats instantly. This resilience gives the military a strategic edge, ensuring AI stays ahead, no matter where it's deployed. SpaceX's hardware isn't just for rockets, it's also building the infrastructure for AI compute power in space. Imagine a supercomputer, but instead of sitting in a data center, it's orbiting Earth on Starlink satellites or Starship. These systems can process massive amounts of data instantly, like tracking threats or managing satellite networks without delay. The Pentagon needs the speed and reliability, especially in remote or hostile environments where ground connections might fail. Starlink provides high-speed, resilient data links that can deploy rapidly, even over conflict zones. It's not just about speed, it's about having a supercomputer that works anywhere, anytime, giving the military an edge without relying on fragile infrastructure. Let's talk about Starlink, a network of satellites orbiting Earth, beaming high-speed internet to even the most remote spots. Now, imagine if that same network could power AI compute for defense. Picture a military drone flying over a conflict zone, analyzing data in real time, no delays, no weak signals. That's what the Pentagon is eyeing, a supercomputer in space, resilient and always on, giving troops an edge, without relying on fragile ground infrastructure. Speed isn't just about faster decisions, it's about reliability, adaptability, and staying ahead when every second counts. But with great power comes great responsibility, and this deal isn't without its risks. Critics worry about privacy, especially when AI systems analyze vast amounts of data without clear oversight. There's also the cost. Building and maintaining this infrastructure will be expensive, raising questions about where taxpayer money goes. And then there's the bigger concern: what happens if this tech is used in ways that over-militarize AI? Balancing innovation with ethics isn't easy, but it's a conversation we can't ignore. This deal is different from past military contracts. For example, a $60 billion pledge to help Iraq's economy focused on rebuilding infrastructure like roads and hospitals. But this SpaceX Pentagon agreement isn't just about money. It's about building AI-powered satellites in space. These won't replace traditional data centers but will act as supercomputers in orbit, offering faster processing for military operations. Unlike typical defense deals, this one is about cutting-edge tech that could change how the military works. This deal isn't just about profit, it's a strategic move to build AI-powered infrastructure in space. Unlike past economic pledges, like the $60 billion for Iraq, this focuses on cutting-edge tech that could reshape military operations. Critics question whether it over-militarizes AI or balances innovation with responsibility. The Pentagon aims to use SpaceX's Starlink satellites for real-time data processing, but ethical concerns remain. This deal isn't just about rockets and AI, it could change your world too. Imagine satellites acting like supercomputers, analyzing data faster than ever. That means new jobs in space tech, but also questions about privacy and who controls this power. It's a race. The U.S. wants to lead in AI, while others watch closely. For you, stay curious, ask questions, and keep up with how tech shapes our future, because that's how you stay ahead. This deal isn't just about rockets or AI, it's about who controls the future. Imagine satellites acting like supercomputers, analyzing data faster than any human could. That means the US military could make split-second decisions on battles, but it also raises big questions: who gets to use this power, and what happens if it falls into the wrong hands? This isn't just about war, it's about jobs, privacy, and whether we're ready for a world where AI runs everything from space. The race is on, and staying curious is how you stay ahead. This deal isn't just about rockets or AI, it's about who controls the future. Imagine satellites acting like supercomputers, analyzing data faster than any human could. That means the US military could make split-second decisions on battles, but it also raises big questions: who gets to use this power, and what happens if it falls into the wrong hands? This isn't just about war, it's about jobs, privacy, and whether we're ready for a world where AI runs everything from space. The race is